Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is take 2 of my Coach small camera bag with quilting unboxing. So last time I unbagged because it literally came in a bag. I'll leave that video for you here. And this time it's a true unboxing because I ended up getting the chalk color. So last time I did get the canyon color and it was a little bit too much of an orange tone for my taste and just in terms of what would go with my wardrobe. So I am unboxing this, have not opened it at all. Came in a plain box this time and I'm very pleased with that because last time it was just in a bag that already had holes in it and it was just very surprising. Even though it was from Coach Outlet, it was very surprising to see, you know, that they put a bag and it's, you know, a puffy leather bag, if you will, in such a poorly packaged way. So unboxing this quickly, and you can see that I'm sitting off-centered. That's on purpose because I really want to insert some shots here so that you guys can see some details. Okay, no idea what to expect. Oh, okay, so it's a really big box, just to show you. Have you ever gotten something like this before where it's a big old box and something small inside? Still, it really helped with keeping the structure of the bag being packaged this way. So here's the invoice. And then the bag itself. So just like last time, it's in a plastic Coach bag. And then plenty of packaging to keep it well structured. Okay. So this is the chalk color. I could tell I already love it. I really thought about the bag itself. I told you it seems like a great bag, just what I was looking for, something that I can grab and go without having to worry too much about, you know, like getting things dirty or, you know, even getting scratches on this. Although this is Napa leather. If you do have anything in Coach's Napa leather, let me know what you think about it. But it seems like other than color transfer, I'm not sure, but I think that can be wiped clean fairly easily is what I'm guessing. That this is going to be a pretty durable and versatile bag for me. I won't go into details. I did talk about this bag in my last video when I got it in the canyon color, but I'm really just checking now to see if it comes with a dust bag because I was surprised that it did last time. Okay, so here is the brass chain strap. Take all the tissue out, and yes, it does come with a dust bag. So that's a big win for me. I always appreciate when the dust bags do come with the handbags because I do use them. Okay, I am going to check this over, but I think it's the cutest bag because the puffy bags are still in, as you know. They've been around for a number of years now. I think about the Saint Laurent Lulu puffer bag that really kind of started this whole trend, but this is not so trendy, if you will. It's still in the sort of like a classic Coach style with a bit of puffiness to make it a little more modern. And, you know, it's got the signature Coach turn lock. I love that, you know, you don't see C's everywhere because I do like my bags more low key. And yeah, I'm going to unpackage the rest of this stuff so that you guys can see what it looks like without all this packaging. Okay, so I finally unpackaged everything and I'm glad I didn't put you through that because there's quite a lot of stuff that I took off this bag. It was good to know that, you know, it's well protected. So here is the bag. I did put on the chain. It's, you know, a detachable chain both sides. I don't think I would use it as a clutch, just given the style, but who knows? I think it's great that I have that option. And I do like that, so you've got the leather on top, so it's not a chain the whole way through. And it is adjustable, which is a huge win when it comes to crossbody bags. And let's see. So far so good. I think there's going to be plenty of space in here, and I will do a cutaway to show you what fits inside. Okay, I'm going to show you what fits in this bag, but before I do, I did want to point out that I noticed that the pull tab on the zipper here, it kind of just, you know, flaps around and doesn't sit nicely. And that is because the D-rings for the chain strap gets in the way. So it really has like nowhere to go, if that makes sense. So just wanted to point that out. I don't know if that would bother you, but you know, something to consider. Doesn't bother me, and it doesn't, you know, hurt the function of the bag, but something that's good to know. Okay, so let me get into it. I am going to fill this up with my everyday essentials, stuff that I usually carry around with me. For this size bag, I would usually do a card holder or a small compact wallet, like this zippy wallet here. Phone, of course, and hand cream, which is a must for me, and a compact pen, tinted lip balm, and I'll do a lipstick just in case, AirPods, and then for light colored bags, I typically like to bring a cleansing wipe with me. This one is by Harv Deluxe. It's not sponsored by Harv Deluxe, but I wanted to just call that out because it's something that's handy just in case you get like color transfer, spill like, I don't know, pasta sauce or barbecue sauce on your bag. And that, as you can see, it really just fills up the bag. But still looks like things are just easy to just, you know, grab out of the bag, which lets you know how it goes in real life. But let me go ahead and zip this up. And then in terms of the front pocket, I'm not sure how often I'd be using it, but I imagine I'd use it for like, you know, receipts or something like that. I have a business card here, so I'm just gonna throw that in there, and it tucks away very nicely. So that is what fits in my bag, which again is just right for my daily essentials. Now, when it comes to camera bags, I know that sometimes they can be hard to get in and out of, and then the zipper is usually something of concern for some folks. I think that it's pretty easy. It's not the smoothest zipper, but at the same time, I don't think I'd be struggling with this if I were at the grocery store and trying to get my wallet out. So that's good to know. There's also a credit card slot, as it's called, but it's ample space for, you know, more than one credit card in there. Actually, wait, let me take that back. Okay, so there's, not take it back, but there's a back pocket. That's what I was referring to because it looked big. I knew there was a credit card slot. It's actually at the front of the bag, so that's good to know because I typically like to just put my most used credit card in the front for some of the bags that have this feature, which I love. And then in the back, I mean, it could be ID or what have you, but there's plenty of room to put in a card holder or an actual like wallet, a small wallet. So yeah, I am very happy with this purchase. Let me know if you do have this bag, especially in the chalk color, how it's working out for you. And, you know, for me, it's about, you know, color transfer. Is there going to be any sort of corner wear, especially, you know, at the bottom? But yeah, very happy that I got this. I should point out that I got this for cheaper than the first one in the Canyon color. This was marked down to $140. The original retail price was $350. And then Coach had a friends and family discount code for another 15% off. So I think it was about $119 total that I paid for this, and free shipping. So I'm glad I ended up finding a color that's going to work for me. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you enjoy this content, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would really help support growing this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.